Today we're making chicken stuffed with broccoli. So the first thing you do is turn your oven to 425, and then you take like your chicken, season both sides with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder. I added a little bit of the crushed red peppers, and I added some Cajun, I don't know, seasoning. I did that on both sides, and then I made like a little pocket basically for the broccoli and stuff to go in. So I'm going to, yeah, I have more that I can make, but I'm just gonna make these for right now. So I'm gonna start cutting up my broccoli, and I shall show you the next step. So I just stuffed my little chicken with the broccoli, the bell pepper, the cheese. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese to this just because I want the cheese to be like gooing out, kind of. So I am going to add the rest of my cheese, and then I'm going to add some olive oil to a medium heat on my skillet right there, and then I am going to let this sear in it for like 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so I kind of made these the correct way. Instead of like making a pocket up top, I like did it on the side, which I think this is actually the way you're supposed to do it, not this. But overall, you know, I'm still learning at this whole cooking thing, so yeah. But this is gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna put this in here for 15 minutes and wrap this up in foil paper. And then I may add some cheese, sprinkle more cheese inside of it before I put it in the oven. So I will show you guys the finished result. But that looks so good. Very good. And I'm not like a chicken person, but this is so good. Oh my gosh. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I will leave everything linked down below. And I'll see you in the next one.